Hello everyone. In today's video, we will see how you can write SEO optimized content for your blog using this amazing AI tool called SEOWriting.AI. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Click on the first link given in the description or in the comments, and you will be redirected to this page of SEO AI. Over here, if you already have an account, you can click here on Login. Or if you don't have an account, then click here on Get Started, it's free. Here, you can either enter your name, email, and password, or you can just click here on Login with Google. After clicking on this, you will be given the option to choose from the various email IDs available on your PC. So choose any one email that you want to use. You will get a message asking whether you want to continue, so click on Continue. And now we have successfully logged in. Now scroll below, and you can see you can generate only one blog post, or you can also generate multiple articles at once. Also, there are some other features like product roundups, product review, product list, workflow, and some others as well. So now let's generate our article. Click here on one-click blog post. After clicking, you can see this page over here. You can see we can enter our main keyword. So enter your main keyword over here for which you want to target your blog. I'm entering here Pippi Ads AI. This is basically an AI tool that you can use to spy TikTok ads and use them for your drop shipping advantage. I have already made a video on this AI tool. You can check it out after this video. After entering your main keyword, you can just click here on Generate Title, and it will automatically generate a title for your article. From here, after entering the title, scroll below, and here you will find options like language. So I will leave it to English. There are a lot of other languages available as well. Then over here, we have the option to choose article size, which is basically the total number of words that will be present in the article. So I will make it too small, as it has enough number of words over 1000. Then tone of voice, I want it to be informational, so I'll click here on informational. After that, we have point of view. Let's select third person. We can choose the GPT model which will generate the article. So let's select GPT 3.5. After that, select the target country that you want to target through your blog article. I will select United States. After that, we have the option to add AI images if you want AI images. Then simply click here on Yes. After that, you can choose the total number of images that you want. I will select 3. You can choose the image style from various options available like cartoon, cyberpunk, etc. And you can also choose the image size from here. You can also choose if you want to integrate YouTube videos into your article. If you choose yes, then you can also choose the number of videos that you can include. If you also want to target some other specific keywords related to your main topic, then you can include those over here. After that, scroll below, and here you can see a lot of options. So you can decide whether you want to include these in your blog article or not. So let's keep conclusion to yes, tables yes. After that, there are some other options available over here, but we won't be needing them. After making all the necessary changes, click here on Run. As you can see, the article is being generated. Let us wait for some time. Now that our article is ready, simply click on it. And as you can see, a proper SEO optimized article has been generated, and it has over 2000 words. You can see that the article is very well written. Once your article is ready, you can simply click here on Copy and paste it into your website. Or another option we have here is Publish. If you have SEO writing integrated with your WordPress website, then by clicking on Publish, it will automatically get published there. If you do not have it integrated, what you can do is go here in the corner, click on Profile, go to Integrations, and then you will have the feature to add WordPress. Click here on Install Plugin, and you will get a detailed guide of how you can integrate WordPress with SEO writing. Now to generate more articles, let's go to Billing. So over here, we are currently on our free plan. Click here on Upgrade Now. As you can see, there is a free plan which allows us to generate a limited number of articles. However, if you go towards the Pro plan, there are a lot of amazing features like 50 article generation over 1 lakh words, one-click blog post, bulk generation, AI Power SEO mode, WordPress auto-hosting, GPT 3.5 and GPT-4, YouTube embedding, connect to web outline editor, and top-quality AI images. Other than this, if you click here on Build Yearly, then it will charge you 35% less. Also, if you want more number of words, you can click over here. However, the pricing will get adjusted accordingly. You can simply click on 100K, that is the number of words that you will get, and click here on Upgrade Now. After this, you will be redirected to this page. Over here, you will have the option to enter coupon code. Enter my coupon code, WB Explainer, and click on Apply. As you can see, we have received an extra 25% discount on our original price. After getting the discount, you can enter your remaining details on the right-hand side and complete the payment. So this is how you can use SEO Writing AI to write amazing SEO optimized articles using AI. If you like this video, then do drop a like. And if you want to learn about PP Ads AI, which is a TikTok ad spy tool used for dropshipping, you can check out this video shown right over here. Thanks for watching.